If you're looking for a very cheap glutathione, I will mention in this video, it will be the last thing I mention in this video. Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here, you are welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about supplements. So this video is going to be for people who are new to this supplement community. You are seeing a lot of supplements, you don't know their cost, you don't know their function, you don't know what to get. There's so many supplements out here, you don't know where to start from. This video is definitely for some words of wisdom for some of us. I know that all hands are not equal. There's a lot going on in the country and the whole world and all of that, but there's something I want us to have at the back of our mind, is that when it comes to skincare, or when it comes to supplements, generally skincare, you want to understand that for you to get the best, or for you to get quality results, you definitely need to invest just a little bit in skincare. Okay, just like the way you invest in your food, your health and all that stuff, you can equate that to skincare, because for you to get that your desired complexion and all that, you definitely need to invest a little bit into skincare. Okay, and lastly, know that skincare is a lifestyle. It's not just by using one box of products and think that it's going to solve all your skin issues and all that. It doesn't work like that, and to not be nice to someone to have to lie to you that, oh, use one box of something, or use this thing for like how many like 1 month, and then all your skin problems are going to be solved. No. Okay, something that isn't given, or something that is not naturally yours, you definitely need to once in a while keep it up. Okay, so without much talking, let's get into this. So I'm listing these products in no particular preference. I'm just listing them as they come to mind. I have my list right in front of me, and so I'm going to be telling you as I go. Okay, now the first one on my list is jawwhite. Okay, a lot of you, if you've been on this channel for a long time, the first supplement that I introduced to my community was jawwhite, and I used jawwhite and it was amazing. Now the jawwhite I'm referring to is the old jawwhite. This new jawwhite I also used, but it's slower than the old jawwhite. This new jawwhite, you have to use one per day. So the old jawwhite, you have to take one every 2 days, but with this new jawwhite, you have to take one every single day. Okay, and it's just 20 in a packet, so you know that this is only going to last you for 20 days. All right, so just have that at the back of your mind. Jawwhite retails for between 17 to 25,000 this period, so if you get your price within that range, good for you, but I just want you to have an idea of what range this supplement you can get it for. Jawwhite is a very good supplement. It is one of the best supplements out there, but just know that the expectation you had from the old jawwhite is not the same one you have from this new jawwhite. So this new jawwhite you have to take every day. All right, now the next one for me is the crystal pure collagen, crystal white pure collagen. This one I feel like has come to replace jawwhite. This is also 20 in a pack, and it retails for between 17 to 23,000 as well. This supplement is a hit. It is a very good supplement. Another thing again, like I said, is 20, so you have to take one every day. Just have it in the back of your mind that this will only last you 20 days. Okay, now the next one for me is my phytoastaxanthin. This one I have here. So this is phytoastaxanthin, and phytoastaxanthin is also a very good supplement. Phytoastaxanthin is 30 capsules in one, so this will definitely last you a month. You use this one capsule every single day. It contains a lot of goodies. Now if you're on a budget, this is something you can get. Phyto retails from 13 to about 17,000 naira. So if you're on a budget, this is something that you can get. The next one for me is the Glutax 75G. All these products I'm reviewing, I'm going to leave my personal review if I've used them. I'm going to link in this video. But this is Glutax 75G. This is 60 in a pack, so this will last you 2 months. These are soft gels, and so you get to just swallow them, whereas with some of my other supplements that are capsules, I empty them into a bottle and I add water and I shake and I drink. 5G is also a very good supplement if you are someone who just wants to glow, you don't really want that lightening effect. Honestly, when I used this, I didn't really see a lot of lightening effect, but some people got lightening effect from this supplement. Okay, when I was using it, I took breaks in between. Maybe that's why I didn't get the max out of it. But this one is 60. It will last you 2 months. Now this product is 22,000 naira as at now. That one I can say. So you can get it 22 to 25. Now this is a good investment because it's going to last you for 2 months. Okay, so that's just like you're splitting. Maybe you're spending 12,000 naira per month to get these supplements. So this will last you 2 months. Okay, the next one on my list is satinzskinbbeau. Satinzskinbbeau vitamin C plus glutathione L-glutathione capsule. This has 30 in each. This one is the glutathione and this is the vitamin C, and it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E as well. And this is the glutathione 500 milligrams. Okay, so this is another one that you can get for yourself. It will last you 1 month. Another one again from Satinskin is their astaxanthin and glutathione. That will also last you a month. Satinzskinbbeau and Satinskin astaxanthin and glutathione costs 20 to 21,000 naira. I think some people even say for 19. So just have 19 to 21,000 and you will get this for yourself, and it will last you a month. Okay. Now the next one for me is this Neocell. I haven't gotten to this yet, but I've heard and I've seen a lot of reviews from this supplement, and this supplement is actually, I think, 60, and so it will last you, not I think, it's 60, and it will last you, what am I saying, it's not 60, I think Meditamin Neocell is about 100. It's a lot in it. The only problem about the supplements is not something that you can empty into a bottle and drink. No, you have to drink, and the smell, oh my goodness, the smell. So you see it's a lot. This is more than, it's about 100 or 60 thereabouts. The smell I don't like. It smells funny and nice at the same time, but yeah, Meditamin Neocell is another one you can get if you're on a budget. This costs, I think, between 20 to 25,000, guys. You can get this for yourself, and it's a lot. It is a lot for you. Okay, the next one for me is phytocollagen. Phytocollagen is also another very good supplement. Phytocollagen, this is very big. It is very, very big. This one you can get between 17 to 23,000 naira for this supplement. Okay, phytoastaxanthin is big, and this will last you at least 2 months. All you have to do is take 1 scoop a day, and it will last you a month. All right. The next one for me is my Visera. I haven't really seen Visera in the Nigerian market just yet, but I think it's making its way. This is also another very good supplement. All right, and this, I've also made a review. I will link it in this video. This supplement is 30 in 1 as well, and so you can take 1 every day. But like I said in that video, sometimes I take 1 a day, sometimes I take 2 a day, and it's also a very good supplement. This video is for between, I think, 20 to 25,000 naira for this supplement for 1 bottle. Okay, Glusaberry. Okay, now Glusaberry I've also reviewed. I will leave a link. Glusaberry is also a good supplement. If you are on a budget, you can start out with Glusaberry. Okay, Glusaberry for a pack right now retails for about 6,000 to 6,500 naira. Someone even told me that where she was, they were selling for 8,500 naira. I haven't bought any new one in a very long time. I still have a lot of it, but I think it retails for about 6,000 thereabouts. It has 10 sachets in one, and you can get good results from using just glutatberry as well. It will help to brighten the skin and glow the skin, but it will not make you white, please. That is that. Another one for me, which comes from the phytocollagen range, is the glutasparkle. Now, a lot of people say glutasparkle is much more effective than phytocollagen, and I agree with them. Glutasparkle you can get glutasparkle from 20 to 25,000 as well, same size as phytocollagen, and you also get good results from it. Glutaprime is also a very good supplement that you can use. That one, if you're on a budget, you can get glutaprime. Glutaprime is about 7,000 naira. You can get glutaprime as well. Another one for me is SAF. SAF I haven't used personally, but I've also read a lot of reviews and heard a lot of good things about SAF, and so you can use SAF as well. I think SAF retails between 18 to 25,000 naira, so just have an idea how much SAF costs. Okay, there's so many supplements out there, but these are the supplements that I am familiar with, and I've used some of them, and I can tell you that for sure they work and all of that. Okay, and so if you notice, most of the supplements that I mentioned today range from 20 to 25,000 naira, and some of them you have to use at least 3 bottles for you to get. You'll see results from using 1 bottle for sure, but you will get at least that's your desired skin tone by using at least 3 bottles of some of these supplements. So just have it in the back of your mind that you need to get at least 3 packs for you to get that ultimate result. Okay, and if you notice, because some of them are cheap, they won't give you that immediate effect compared to some. Now, some supplements that I know that give you immediate effect are crystal collagen, pure crystal collagen, Visera. You get that from SAF. You get that from satinzskinbbeau. You get that from phyoastaxanthin. You get that from phytoastaxanthin. You also get that from using jawwhite. All right. Now, most importantly, all these supplements that I have mentioned, one thing they have in common is that you have to use them with vitamin C. You have to use them with vitamin C. Some of them contain vitamin C, but we don't know the quantity of, some of them will tell you the quantity of vitamin C, but we don't know the extent or how true the vitamin C is in them. Now, a little thing about supplements. Glutathione is something that is very common in all of these supplements, and glutathione is an antioxidant. It is said to be present in every individual, but as we age, it reduces. Okay, that's why we take the supplements to help us, balance out our skin and all that good stuff. Now, in order for your body to be able to absorb glutathione, you need vitamin C to work with it. So no matter the supplements you are using, vitamin C is key. No matter the supplement you are using, vitamin C is key. Now, they have swallowable vitamin C, they have chewable vitamin C, or like me, this vitamin C is an ester form. I put it into water and I drink. But those are some things that you definitely need to know when you are getting supplements. So whoever you're purchasing supplements from, you want to ask them, how can I use, or what do I pair this with? Or for sure, you know that you can pair your glutathione supplements with vitamin C. The cheapest of them all is glutathione, pure glutathione. Okay, this is the cheapest of them all. You can get this for 5,000, 7,000, 8,000 or thereabouts. This is the cheapest of them all. This is pure glutathione, and this is from Puritan's Pride. This is 500 milligram of glutathione. Now, for glutathione, something you want to note is using just pure glutathione, you need to use it for a very, very long period of time. Some of these other supplements have been paired with other ingredients to make them even more effective. But when you're using pure glutathione, you know that you have to use this for at least 6 months for you to start to see, okay, I like what I am seeing. Alright, the higher your dosage of glutathione, for sure, the more results you get. But if you're on a budget and you're just trying to manage yourself and you want to take 500 milligram a day, honestly, you won't get good results, especially when it's pure and it hasn't been paired with anything. Okay, so you can start with 1000 milligram of glutathione a day. 1000 milligram of glutathione a day for you to actually start seeing results with this supplement. Okay, and so if you have any questions regarding this video or supplements or all of that, please let me know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more content like this. I hope you have a good day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.